Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking. This is a request that we're going over. Ticker symbol XPEV, XPENG, Inc., spons, ads, etc., etc. If you are invested in this, be sure to stick around to the end. Our loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the the comments and the appropriate thumbs, and yeah. So thank you for supporting the channel with that. So let's see what we have here. I found some ascending line of support that it potentially has lost. We also two important levels. So we're going to get into the charts. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's March the 4th. I just cannot catch up with the month. March the 4th, 2021. And the previous close of the stock is going to be $29.36. It closed negative approximately 2.2% for the day. Okay. A little bit of selling entry coming in the post market there. 29.21 down like 0.5% for the day. So this is a little bit different if you are familiar with how I pull up the charts. Remember, this is a new stock, so I'm not really good with it. It came out like August of 27, 2020. So I'm pretty sure if I don't nail this one, just understand that, yeah, it's a new stock. All right. So here's the lines. That's it. Pretty simple. So ladies and gentlemen, what you are witnessing on the screen is a two lines. The critical level is going to be the line it needs to stay above. The green line is the longevity line. In order to have that nice thrust and ease to the upside, it needs to get above that level. The red line, that would probably be good thing to mention, that level is going to be at $23, like $22.94. Okay, the red line. And overhead, this green line, the longevity line that it needs to get above and stay above to have that thrust to the upside, $64.99. And if it isn't obvious enough, this yellow ascending line was support until, of course, as of recently here, it has had successful price activity below that line. That is not that bullish, I'll say that, for starters, but what's trying to happen is this stock is seeking financial support, and typically that takes place at the previous level of resistance, which is again at this red line here. It's not guaranteed to get that low, but one thing that I will say is if there is an imminent bounce in this market, it's likely going to go up to the 41.67 level. Let's do a real quick measurement on how high that would be if it were to turn around exactly where it is now. It's about a 38% move to the upside. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing on this in terms of, is it going to turn around here? I did a few, looking at the technicals. This is actually a successful 3-day candle to close. I'm not really seeing that much buying interest below the wick of this candle. I'm not sure where you guys are in this. Thank you for the request. I'm not sure where exactly you bought in, but the entire market is under pressure right now. I know that's such an easy way to just kind of give an excuse in terms of where I don't know where the price is going. But if it were to continue lower, again, the red line, that's the only level that I'm looking at. $23. Okay, like just under $23, just over $23. I could definitely see some, not definitely. It would be a practical area for the buyers to step in that area. And again, it's not even guaranteed to get that low, and it's not even guaranteed to hold if it gets that low. Okay, remember, guys, I'm just a technicals guy. I just look at lines on a chart, and I have no idea what this company is. Okay, I'm not promoted to say this. This is my my organic speculative observation of this. And yeah, honestly, that's what I'm seeing. I'm just gonna leave it out with $23 as a potential area that you need to open up your charts to see if it's developing some sort of reversal candle. If it is a successful bounce at that line, I guess we can do a measurement from the actual red line up to the $41 level. It's going to be a 73% move to the upside. So that might not be suggested in a thumbnail because I'm not sure if it's going to continue lower. So essentially what I have for this stock is the $23 level. That would be an ideal area for me to entertain a potential long position. Again, I need more price action to determine that. But you have all the levels here, right? It has lost, it potentially has lost its financial support line, this yellow line here. So it's just seeking financial support. Yeah, $23, $41, potential bounce. That's all I have for this stock. I know it's maybe not that much information, but at least this is kind of a starting point, right? Because these candles here, I don't really see that much buying interest. Let's pull up the volume here. Yeah, there's some volume coming in terms of the market pushing to the downside. These are the 3-day candles, if I haven't mentioned that. I'd like to see a little bit more downwards pressure, you know. Yeah, that's all I have for this. I feel like I'm beating it at this point. So you have the current level. I mean, if you're a long-term investor, right? I mean, I can't give you financial advice, but I mean, as the closer it gets to that red line, the more I personally would be just kind of scaling into my long-term holdings. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you wonderful folks. Potential 72, 73% bounce to the upside if it gets to this level and holds $23. Yeah, I can see a nice bounce to the upside. That wouldn't be an issue. I may be interested in playing this if it gets down to 23. I'll just crack open the chart. So let me know down in the comment section if it actually gets to that level. I'll maybe revisit this to see if there's anything else that we can see in the charts as a potential case scenario. So that's all I have for this. Hopefully this was useful. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment. Let me know if you sent the request. Thank you for that. We're going to cut it out here. Also, if you're new, before you go, we cover the alternative markets, and I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, but we do cover that throughout the week. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. Yes, we covered everything. Thanks. Take care. Out we go. Remember to execute your strategy, guys. This is so important right now with the market's conditions. It seems like a lot of selling pressures in the market, so please execute your strategies before you hit those buy buttons, okay? So yeah, we're out of here, guys. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon. Bye for now.